Oh my god. Again, just before bed. As you can see, I don't know if you can see or not. I've just put my computer up. And I've started sneezing again. And I need to go outside because I need to close the tent down. So if you can see the, yeah, behind me. Oh, I need to turn the lights off. I need to turn the candle off and everything. But I'm going to sit down for a little while because I'm sneezing. Oh, again just before bed. That's good. I would have got some more light. Oh, actually, I will get some more light. Okay. So I've got a bit more light. Okay, folks. I never realised my sneezing would become so popular. So I've tried to make it more professional. I never. Oh, there's a burp as well. I tried to make it more professional. I've changed my channel name to the Sneezing Sniffler. I've changed all my videos today with the title, The Sneezing Sniffler, and etc, etc. But I've realised when I download my videos back onto my computer, there's no watermark anymore. And that was a big mistake. So now I have to, before I upload videos to YouTube directly, which I normally do, I'm gonna have to upload them to my computer, then add a watermark, and then post them to YouTube. And so it'll take a bit longer to post stuff. And I also want to show a little bit more of myself, not just on the night time, but over the daytime. So hopefully my videos will become more professional, more enjoyable, and just click on the link to subscribe, or go to Twitter, or go to Facebook. I'm there as well, but all the links are in the description. Love you all, folks. Keep you posted. Bye.